Hi, this is Ben. I was given this product for free in exchange for my review. This is the AV Steel 9-piece hole saw kit. I'm going to open this up, go through all the parts, and we'll test it out on some wood. The kit comes in a plastic carrying case with a label that gives all the specs of all the pieces. In order to open the case, you do have to take the cardboard label off, and then there's 2 latches to open the case. The kit comes with 6 sizes of steel saw blades ranging from 51 millimeters or 2 inches down to 19 millimeters or 3/4 inch. There is an adapter as well that allows you to use the larger saw blades on the smaller mandrel, and then a hex key. The hex key will allow you to remove the drill bit on the larger mandrel. It will also allow you to change the depth of the drill bit on the smaller mandrel. There are 3 depth settings for this. The drill bit can be pulled out of the small mandrel as well. The larger mandrel has a 3-point mount. There are 2 pins on the sides which can be lowered by twisting the dial. After twisting on the saw blade and lining up the holes, the pins can be extended back into place, which will secure the saw blade. The smaller mandrel does not have this feature, but again, it's intended for the smaller blades. I also note that the large mandrel is hexagonal in the base, where the small one is round, so the smaller one may be more susceptible to slipping. So I tested this out. I had no trouble even with my low-end wireless drill. I also tested this out on a 2x4. It took a little more effort on this to get through, and actually the saw blade was not deep enough to get all the way through to the other side, so I had to turn the piece of wood over and line up the drill bit to drill through from the other side, but this actually worked just fine. It lined up perfectly. The saw blades all do have a slot on the side, so you can stick a tool in order to poke out or pry out the plug. Finally, I did test on a PVC pipe. This worked just fine as well. So overall, this is a great kit. I think it worked well. It's obviously well-built, sturdy steel. I'm not going to have any trouble with the durability of the saw blades. In fact, they're much more heavy-duty than my drill is. This will be handy for having on hand for projects around the house. I didn't get a chance to test these out on any sort of metal materials, but I'm confident these will hold up without any problem. I hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.